it's you again. And here I am. It's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from South Korea. This is Paldo with their Teumsae stir-fried ramen. I've done the pack version, but I've never done the bowl. So that's what we're doing today here on the big show for your enjoyment, enamorment, and safety. Here's our bowl. So we're gonna fill it with water, and basically that's it. You lit it and you let it sit for 4 minutes. So there we go. So in the last episode I mentioned we went to a Pokemoning thing on Saturday, but we were in the area and I was like, can we go and see if we can find some noodles? Because I've been like teetering on the edge. The 3 that I'm doing today would have been the last 3 varieties that I had on hand, period. And we went to 3 places. We went to a place called S-Mart in Bellevue, Washington. You know, like Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart. Well, that place had a ton of neat stuff that I got. And then we went to Asian Food Center in Redmond, and then right across the plaza from there, they've got a large Indian grocery where I got some stuff. So big thanks to my wife, the lovely Kit, for taking me all over the place, and she helps figure out stuff that I've reviewed or not too, which is pretty cool. So that was awesome, and ended up with 32 different varieties of instant noodles that I've never tried. A lot from China, some from India, some from Hong Kong, some Korean, and there might be a Taiwanese one in there, here or there, but. And I also realized I haven't reviewed Marachon chicken or beef instant noodles since, like, God, I think I did the chicken Marachon was review number 103, which would have been about 12 years ago. So that's gonna get a new review. So's the beef. Yeah, I already have a fork. But yeah, really busy Saturday. And then, let's see. Yesterday I went out and I dragged the camera with me. I've been wanting to get a time lapse of the sun going down in a nice spot. So I went to the nice spot. It was cloudy, so I didn't get anything. Plus there was all these humans running around getting in front of the camera and stuff. So it was kind of it didn't work out so well. And timing it is going to be kind of difficult. I think I know a better spot though. The spot I was in, there's a bunch of trees further back. If I go further down the road, more towards Lake Forest Park, there's a little spot with a bench, unobstructed view towards the sunset. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. But yesterday it got up to like, I think the high yesterday was like 74 or 75. So in the evening when the sun's going down, all the music I swore had no vocals on it. Anyway, yeah, so went and did that, and and yeah, I'll have to do that again and go get some better footage. But yeah, it's like the sun sets at like almost 9 p.m. now, and by next weekend it'll be probably the same, probably a little bit later. But the only problem is I think it's supposed to rain forever now, so that's never any fun. I'm gonna do a mukbang of this one. It'll be kind of a quick and dirty mukbang. So that's what we're doing. We got a few seconds left. There we go. All right. Here's that. We're gonna Gavish our noodles a little bit. Let's drain this off. So we got noodle. It says not to cook this, which kind of surprised me because this one's the seasoning or the garnish, but whatever they say, I follow the directions. Yeah, it's sesame seed and a little bit of seaweed, so very, you know, if you're keen on the spicy stuff, you'll be like, oh, so it's like that. Oh. So here we go. There's not a whole heck of a lot. You just got your sauce. You've got your garnish, and you gotta stir. A lot. Yeah, I'll do a mukbang of this. I got time. Not a lot, but I'll get the kids to do a ready, set, go and all that good stuff. So here we are. So I won't be trying this right now, as it will all get ingested during the challenge. Okay. We just need this. We'll just do this. Well, not exceedingly well centered, ladies and gentlemen, but it'll have to do. I guess I'll have to coax it around a little bit. Wish I had a centrifuge so I could make it just like, or like a potter's wheel. Yeah, a little bit of spring onion. Right there. And a wee, very wee amount of the seed. There we go. So let's watch it spin around a little bit and then I'll do a mukbang. Here we go. Alright, well, the next video I'll do will be a mukbang, but next episode of this show is going to be this Kikkoman noodle kit with sauce, spicy garlic. It's gluten-free, which you may or may not be into, but I think it sounds interesting, and yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, all you got to do is look up Teumsae mukbang, and you'll find it in the channel. Alright, have a good one. Bye.